In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share your Outlook calendar step by step so you can easily let coworkers, clients, or family members see your availability. Sharing your Outlook calendar is extremely useful for scheduling meetings, avoiding conflicts, and improving communication, whether you're using Outlook for work or personal use. This guide is beginner-friendly and works for the latest versions of Outlook. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once Outlook is open, look at the navigation pane on the left-hand side of the screen. From here, click on the calendar icon to switch from your inbox to the calendar view. This will display your current calendar, including all your meetings, appointments, and events. Make sure you're viewing the correct calendar, especially if you manage multiple calendars or shared accounts. Now that you're in the calendar view, look toward the top of the Outlook window, where the main toolbar is located. In this toolbar, find and click on the option labeled Share. This button is usually easy to spot and is specifically designed for sharing your calendar with others. Clicking Share will open a new sharing window where you can control who gets access and what they're allowed to see. In the sharing window, you'll see a field where you can enter an email address. Type in the email address of the person you want to share your calendar with. This can be a coworker, manager, client, or anyone else you want to give access to. After entering the email address, move to the Permissions drop-down menu. This is an important step because it controls how much information the other person can see. From the drop-down, choose the permission level that works best for your situation. You can allow them to see only when you're busy, see limited details, see full details of your events, or even make edits if needed. Take a moment to double-check the permissions to make sure you're comfortable with the level of access you're granting. Once you've entered the email address and selected the appropriate permissions, you're almost done. All that's left to do is click the Share button. Outlook will send an invitation to the email address you entered, and once the recipient accepts it, they'll be able to view your calendar based on the permissions you selected. You can always come back later to change permissions or stop sharing if needed. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Outlook calendar in just a few simple steps. This makes scheduling meetings and coordinating with others much easier and more efficient. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.